Hi everyone, it's Ashley with the Dope Experience, and today we're going to make a cool fidget toy. So all you need is a paperclip and 6 beads. So let's begin. First, you're going to take your paperclip and lift up this top part. Then you're going to begin to add your beads, one at a time. What makes this activity so fun is it's so easy to make and it really is fun to play with. Almost there. Now sometimes there's not enough space on the paperclip, so just move those beads down. Okay, now we are going to move our beads along the bottom of the paperclip, like so. Now that top part, we have to bend it back so it's in line with the rest of the paperclip. And that's what really makes this fidget toy fun. Once you get that done, start moving your beads back up to the top of the paperclip in the opposite direction. So, all the beads are secure on the paperclip. There's no chance of them falling off. And you've got yourself a brand new fidget toy. So what I like to do is just kind of turn the beads in between my fingers and slide them up and down across the lines of the paperclip. I find this really relaxing, and if I'm feeling fidgety, it's a good tool to have on hand. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed making this today. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.